we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood but incredibly important: positivity versus toxic positivity. You've probably heard phrases like, just stay positive, or good vibes only, floating around social media or even from well-meaning friends. While positivity can be uplifting and empowering, toxic positivity can be harmful and dismissive. So what's the difference? Let's break it down and learn how to embrace genuine positivity while steering clear of its toxic counterpart. What is positivity? Positivity is the practice of focusing on the good in any situation while acknowledging the reality of challenges. It's a mindset that encourages resilience and growth. For example, when faced with setbacks, positivity doesn't mean ignoring your emotions. Instead, it means saying, "This is tough, but I'll find a way to get through it." Positivity is powerful because it fosters hope, improves mental health, and helps you build better relationships. It allows you to process your emotions healthfully while maintaining an optimistic outlook. What is toxic positivity? On the flip side, toxic positivity is the overgeneralization of a happy, optimistic state in all situations. It's the idea that you should always look on the bright side, no matter how difficult or painful a situation might be. Toxic positivity dismisses genuine emotions, making people feel invalidated or even ashamed for experiencing negative feelings. Examples include telling someone grieving, "At least they're in a better place now," saying, "Everything happens for a reason," when someone shares their struggles, insisting on positivity with phrases like, "Don't be so negative," when someone is venting. While these statements might come from good intentions, they can trivialize the other person's feelings, leaving them feeling unheard. Why is toxic positivity harmful? Toxic positivity can 1. Suppress emotions. Encouraging people to ignore their feelings prevents them from processing their emotions properly, which can lead to emotional burnout. 2. Increase loneliness. When someone feels dismissed, they may withdraw from sharing their struggles, feeling isolated in their pain. 3. Create unrealistic standards. Always being positive isn't humanly possible, and striving for it can lead to feelings of inadequacy and guilt. How to embrace healthy positivity. To practice genuine positivity without crossing into toxic territory. 1. Validate emotions. Let yourself and others feel emotions without judgment. It's okay to say, "This is hard, and I'm struggling right now." 2. Encourage solutions without dismissing pain. Offer support like, "I hear you, and I'm here to help however I can." 3. Focus on balance. Positivity isn't about denying reality. It's about finding the light while acknowledging the darkness. Key takeaway. True positivity is empowering because it respects the full range of human emotions. Toxic positivity, however, forces a fake smile, leaving no room for vulnerability or growth. Let's aim for a world where we uplift each other through authenticity, not by glossing over life's challenges. If you've ever experienced toxic positivity or struggled to find the balance, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with someone who could use a reminder that it's okay not to be okay sometimes. Thanks for watching, and remember, real positivity begins with being real. See you in the next one.